Hi guys, today we are going to look at an interesting story. Do you all love stories? Obviously, everyone will love stories, right? Isn't it? Right from the kids to the grandparents, everybody in the world love to listen stories. So, without any delay, let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a goat who lived in the village, which was happily and peacefully enjoying its first day of the meal by eating the grasses slowly. And then, by the time the goat was enjoying its meal, he just got separated from its herd. But the goat was not even realized that he got separated from its herd, and he just started stepping into the forest. By the time it was little dark, but when the goat entered into the forest, it was even more darker and darker, and the goat was not even realized that it got separated from its herd and entered into the forest. And about an hour ago, then the goat suddenly woke up and saw there was no one around him. He was looking here and there for his friends, but there was no one around him. And then now the goat realized and thought, oh my god, what a foolish thing I have done. I have left alone all my friends there and had got separated from them and entered into this forest. What will I do now? How will I get out of there? And then the goat really got scared. What will happen to me if any of the wild animals, lion or tiger, saw me? Then I am done. And then, by the time the goat started thinking, the tiger saw the goat. The goat saw the tiger, and the tiger saw the goat now. Then the goat suddenly started running in an opposite direction as soon as he saw the tiger. But do you think that the tiger will leave the goat? Definitely not, right? Because for the tiger, the goat was his first meal. So the tiger fiercely started chasing the goat. And then the goat was running and running even more faster. The tiger got angry and then chased the goat with full speed. Now the goat thought, oh my god, please save me. I just need to escape from this tiger somehow. And by the time the goat got thinking, he just entered the quicksand. And now the goat thought, okay, even now I have an opportunity or a chance to escape from the tiger. And then he just jumped into the quicksand. The tiger who was chasing the goat also jumped into the quicksand to get its first meal. But he doesn't know what is a quicksand. The quicksand started pulling each down. And then they both of them are stuck in the quicksand, but they both are about 2 feet distance. But the tiger can't catch the goat, and even the goat can't escape from the quicksand. Now, in a critical situation, the tiger was trying very hard to come out of the quicksand and to take away his first meal. But on the other hand, the goat was not even making any attempt to escape from the quicksand. And the goat started smiling. The tiger got even more angrier and just shouted at the goat, what do you think of yourself? Why are you smiling? Do you think that you will get escape from me? Never. Either you will get stuck in the quicksand and die with me, or I will be eating you. This is what will happen, the tiger said. But the goat got even more happier now. And then the goat said, you foolish tiger, do you think I don't have any plans? I have a master, do you know that? And my master will definitely search for me, and then he will come here and find out and save me. But you don't have anyone to escape or save you. So definitely my master will save me and you are going to die here. And then the tiger really got scared now, and the tiger don't know what to do. As soon as after that the master came and the goat got escaped. So what is the moral of the story? Do you all know? What's the moral of the story? Okay, so as we said in the story, each of us have a master in our life. We all had some hard times in our life, right? So we all need a master to coach ourselves, or to escape, or to plan out how to reach a solution for the problem.